Oscar 909 here. I came across a song called Haunted House Blues. This is the Bessie Smith version. Apparently, I did a little research, and there's a whole whack of songs called this, and they're all entirely different, although some of them are straight 12-bar blues and whatnot. This one was from a long time ago. It was written by a guy named J.C. Johnson. And it was sort of a, big band sort of thing. I don't know where the guitar arrangement came from. I found it from a lady called Del Rey, who does a really great job on it. And decided to swipe it for us 3-string players because it's, I don't know, just kind of cool. Nothing to do with Halloween for me anyway. I'm in open G, G, D, G. I'll play the first lick for you. Low string open, twice. 3 on the low string, twice. Middle string open, twice. High string, once. And there's a little bit of a swing to it. Then you go up here to Z flat 7. And then you do a rundown. And that would be 7 twice, 5 twice, 3 twice, 2 once. Then you do that first lick again. And then you go back up to E flat 7 twice. And then D7. D7, 7, 5. I'll play that, and she uses that as an intro, actually. This is where the verse of the song starts. It starts off with a G7 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a D7 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to G7. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the D7. Then back to G7. And here she puts in that run that we used at the beginning. And then we go to C minor. 3, 4. And that's a 5, 5, 8. 3, 4. And then to E flat 7 again. And then she does a bunch of nifty substitutions, which I won't get into here, involving minor 7th chords and stuff like that. But we can sort of use it to create this. So what I'm doing is I'm holding the G7 with my second and my little finger, because I need my third finger for here, and I'm just climbing up chromatically, that means one note at a time, from the low G note. And I just thought it was neat to try to emulate her substitutions, which are way more complicated, and there's no way we can do it on this, but it's kind of cool. I bet you there's other songs that could be used in too. Anyway, then we go right to the 5 chord, D7. 2, 3, 4. Then E flat 7, 1 fret up. 1, 2. Then 3, 4. And then the intro lick, which is also the turnaround. And that's all there is to it, but it's a lot of fun to play those different chords. Have a great day. Bye.